Let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. The first effect we're going to use is VR Glow. For the settings, change the Luma threshold to 0.1, the glow radius to around 7, the glow brightness to 1.1, and the glow saturation to 1.6. Next is Invert Effect. This is what's really going to give that true X-ray vibe. The next effect is Tint. With this, we'll change white to blue, but you can totally pick any color you need. Just click on Map White to choose your color, and you can tweak Map Black too if you want to adjust the contrast and overall tone of the video. Now we're going to add noise. Set it to around 18 and make sure to uncheck Use Color Noise. Next we're going to add Mosaic. Change both the horizontal and vertical blocks to 700. Now we're going to go into Lumetri Color. Here's what we're changing. Temperature to -36, Tint to 12, Exposure to 0.6, Contrast to -138, Highlights to 150, Shadows to -55, Whites to 56, and Blacks to -14. This gives the clip that moody, stylized vibe. Last thing we're going to do is add a LAT from Premiere Pro. We're using Fuji Eterna 2395 and that's it.